Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to make a spiral background in Canva. So whether you're working on a photo or a logo, it's really easy to add a spiral background that will really make your image stand out. So this is how you do it. Open up your design. Then we're going to click on elements and type in spiral background. Click on graphics and loads of different ones come up. So I'm just going to choose one. So I quite like this pink spiral. So I'm going to position it over the photo so it covers it. Then with it still selected, I'm going to click on position and backwards to put it behind my photo. You can also do this with videos. So if I just undo this, get rid of that. So we can also look at a spiral video background. So let's have a look at the video. So these are quite funky. So I'm just going to position the video over the photo again, drag it to fill the canvas, position backwards, and how she has quite a unique spiral moving background behind her. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.